A keyboard that maintains all functions and has a very compact size. Is this possible? Introducing Keychron K14, a 70% layout wireless mechanical keyboard. The creation after combining the benefits of a versatile 10-keyless keyboard and a compact keyboard. Its compact size is space efficient, but still retains all of the essential function keys, no matter if you are a Mac user or a Windows user, or whether you're using it for work, gaming, or anything else. It's ideal for all your needs. With its built-in 5.1 Bluetooth chip, Keychron K14 allows you to have a more stable wireless connection. You can also pair it with up to 3 Bluetooth devices and use multiple devices seamlessly. The hot-swappable option enables you to change the mechanical switches easily, whether it's a linear, clicky, or tactile feeling. Customize the keys any way you want. With its ergonomic adjustable angle design, find your most comfortable angle. 18 RGB light effects vibe out with your mood. For a longer wireless experience, we designed the K14 non-backlit version too, which can be used for up to 2 months on a single charge to give you a truly wireless experience. Keychron K14, a perfect combination of a compact yet powerful wireless mechanical keyboard.